people, I am Danietta. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Dietta, where we discuss all things fabulous. Today's video is going to be about protective styling for your natural hair, your tresses, your curls, your coils. As you can see, I am wearing this fabulous turban, and I'm going to show you guys how I got this look. I promise it's a lot easier than you're expecting it to be. Before we get started, I want to say welcome. Thank you if you're a return viewer. If you're a new viewer here, welcome to my channel, Dietta, where we discuss all things fabulous. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you'll never miss the upload of a new and fabulous video, because we have a lot of fun around here and I'd love for you to be a part of our fabulous family. I am also Dietta on Instagram, so go ahead and head on over there. You can follow me in real time. You'll get updates about hair, fashion, trips that I take, this fabulous ride that I call life, and I would love to be able to share that part of my world with you as well. All right, so let's get down to business. So if you have natural hair, if you don't have natural hair, a lot of us just do it because it's chic, it's fashionable, it's stylish. And what I'm talking about is I'm talking about wearing head wraps. So sometimes I have scarves that are part of my fashion wardrobe. I will remix them and make them into head scarves, give myself a cute little look. And I usually do that. Okay, every time I've done that, it has been because I have not had time to redo my hair. So up under here, I am wearing a week-long wash and go. I really need to redo my hair. I just have not had the time to do it. But You Go Natural has pre-twisted turbans, caps, bonnets that you can wear at night. Number one, they are all satin lined. I'm going to take this off and show you guys. Y'all thought I was lying when I said I had a week ago wash and go. Mama don't lie to y'all. I keep it 100. So this one is already pre-looped, as you can see. This is the Luxe Rib Turban. This is in the color Nugget. Doesn't that pop? So all of their turbans and twists and caps are satin lined. Satin lining is really, really important when it comes not to just natural hair, but your hair in general. You don't want anything like cotton against your hair. That can cause breakage, that can cause dryness, that can cause brittleness. All those effects that it's causing, we don't want any of them around here, and so we stay away from it. This satin line cap is going to bless your life. So there's also elastic in the band. Love that. So it fits securely to your head. Sometimes when I'm doing a turban or a twist or a wrap and I'm just taking a scarf that's out of my wardrobe and trying to do it, sometimes it can be difficult to get it to the desired tightness that I need it to be so that it's secure on my head, because we don't want it to be like a wig, baby, and be gone with the wind. So I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to get the look that I just had on. I like to put the cap on. Make sure that all of my hair is under it. So you guys, my hair is really short because I am just now growing out a big chop that I did a couple of years ago. I kept it short on purpose. But there is room under here if you have locks, if you have longer curls or tresses, longer hair in general. So don't worry, there is room. And if you have short hair like mine, as you can see, this still works from you. So it's pre-looped. I have it dropping to the front. I like to cross it in the front, then loop that back, and just keep looping it around until you get it to the desired tightness for your head size and hair length. I like to give it a bit of an adjustment, make sure that it looks how I want it to look, and then I slide it back a little bit, reveal some of my edges. I like to keep my ears tucked in. Some people wear their ears tucked out. It doesn't matter. Because I have on big earrings today, I am just going to leave my ears tucked in. You guys, wasn't that so easy? Wasn't that so cute? I told you I wasn't gonna lie to you. But wait, there's more. The fun's not gonna stop there. I also have this Luxe Rib Twisted Turban. And so I'm going to show you guys how to get this. This one is really, really good for those of us that have shorter hair. It's not as big in capacity as this one, but both of them are still cute. Both of them still work. Both of them are still really, really easy. And so I wanted to show you guys both of the looks in these this line of turbans and wraps that I have, and so that you can make the best choice for you, which will probably be like me, and you will probably want both, right? So same week old wash and go. Same satin lining on the inside. So put that on like so, as you can see. So this pre-loop is a lot shorter because of the style. This is the Twisted Turban. So again, making sure that all of my hair is in. I'm going to do the same thing in the front. I am going to cross it, and then I am going to just loop that to the back. With this one, I only have to do one loop because the loop is shorter. The turban is smaller, more fitted. Voila. Pull it back a little bit. Make sure you got everything. You can adjust and style it as you like for your desired taste. Again, I'm going to leave my ears in this one. Same big earrings, you guys. Is it not beautiful? Yes, it's beautiful and it is easy. So again, You Go Natural. You guys, please check them out on YouTube. They are You Go Natural. On the line, they are yougonatural.com. I will be sure to put the link down below in the description box, as well as the links for the 2 turbans that I have shown you guys today. I love making life easier, but also still being fabulous while I do it. Mission accomplished. Again, if you have not already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Dieta. You'll never miss the upload of a new video if you turn that notification bell on, and promise me you don't want to miss a thing. I am Dieta on Instagram as well. Please make sure you follow me there so you can have real-time updates of this fabulous ride that I call life. Until next time, I will see you guys. Stay safe, stay blessed, stay fabulous. I appreciate each and every one of you.